Kamiti ya mwanya iria yathugundirwo ni president gwetha kihonia gia kunina mbara cia kimucii na njuragano cia atumia na airitu anini umuthi ni tabanirie giikaro kia mbere gia kuungania mawoni ma muingi nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC. Kuringana na riboti ya kamiti ino iria iratongorio ni Nancy Baraza, bururi wa Kenya urugameire gicunji-ini kia mirongo itatu na ithano hari igana hari kuhitana na kuhukia ciiko ici na beria ni ya gikiro gia thi makiria.
We are at 35%. That is not very good. It's not good. And the trends, as even reported by yourselves in the media, they have been on the increase. Femicide emerging in its new form.
Hindi ya giikaro giki andu aria marutaga thuguri ya kwiyendia kimwiri ni matariirie ngero iria matungagio na kuiga miturire yao hatikaini.
In terms of numbers of the people that have registered to the sex workers led organization directly, we are over 800,000. We are recommending the criminalization of sex work. I have been a sex worker for more than 20 years. Carol's mother was a sex worker like me. She was murdered by a client in a room, cold-blooded. They cut off her head, they opened her stomach, the breasts were open, one breast was here, one leg was there, and all the intestines were out.
Kila maisha ya kila mtu inamata. Whether you are in which category, whether you are titled when Chief Justice, Chief Justice, every life matters.
When are we going to come out from this and say feminism is not about love, it's not about sex, it's somebody who wants to kill out of drug wherever he wants to take his drug.
Na kuona kamiti ino yaheirwo ihinda ria thiku 90 kuneana riboti yayo, Baraza augite ni meguthiururuka kaunti-ini ciothe 47 kuungania mawoni, akiongerera ati hari riboti ya muthia iria makaneana ndigakorwo tu ikirongoreria kurumbuia mwana wa kairitu indi ni nginyagia mwana wa kahii.
We were given 90 days which expire on 9th, which is next week. But there is also a provision for request for extension of time. And now we might just request for extension, not exceeding a month, because we haven't done public participation. And you know that is our constitutional mandate. We have received overwhelming numbers of memoranda, which we are going through, which we are analyzing to form part of our report and recommendations.
Gwakiriria gwa ciiko ici ni kugwatumire kamiti ino yumbo na amemba 42 makihitithio tariki 28 mweri-ini wa Januari mwaka uyu na atumia 15 nio moragitwo mweri-ini ucio.
Vijana mujitokeze pia mtuambie shida mnapitia. Tulisikia kesi 3 kutoka Othaya mawiki machache imepita kwamba wanaume sehemu zao za siri zimekatwa na mabibi. Hiyo ni mbaya.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Bururi.